Assalamu Olaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I'm a content creator as well as an English trainer. Today I'm going to teach you one kind of advanced structure. It is called interested in verb ing. After that, we are going to teach like interested in without verb. That means nouns or any kind of sentence or any kind of word. Okay, the rest of the sentences. So I hope you are watching this video so far. So let's see and have a look. So how many sentences we can create in this video. So first of all, I would like to say I am interested in learning English. I am interested in learning English. After that, you can say she is interested in cooking new recipe. She is interested in cooking new recipe. Then you can say they are interested in playing football. They are interested in playing football. After that, you can say he is interested in traveling abroad. He is interested in traveling abroad. After that, you can say my father is interested in watching TV. My father is interested in watching TV. And after that, if you want to use past tense like I was interested in going there. I was not interested in going there. Okay, so that is how you can use this kind of structure in our daily conversation. So let's see. So the another thing is that interested in without verb. Okay, interested in without verb. So at first you have to take or get like any subject. After that auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, that means am, is, are, was, were. After that interested in. After that noun or the rest of the sentence. So let's see. So I am interested in history. I am interested in historical place. Okay. After that, you can say he is interested in music. He is interested in music. I am interested in what, or you can say I am interested in you. My father, my father is interested in music. My father is interested in music, or you can say he is interested in science. He is interested in science. So that is how we can use this kind of sentence and every single day. So my lovely viewers and friends, actually I couldn't make video that time because I was weak. That means under the weather. So that is why I couldn't upload any kind of video. Okay, so my viewers made a comment, sir, please make a video as per my comment, as per his comment, as per their comment, but I couldn't make any video. Okay, so right now I am trying to make a video so that you can understand my every single word and point, and you can understand speaking English. Okay, so I hope you keep on watching this video till the end, and after ending this video, you will be able to get a lot of things from this video. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.